In this tutorial, we're going to look at tooltip. Let's create a new project, JavaFX. No dependencies. Let's open the XML in SimBuilder. Let's remove VBox. Then I will use anchor paint. This simple example, I'm going to use one button, then one label, one password field, so idea is when you type the password, we like to show tooltips. So here password for the label, password field, you can add prompt text, enter your password. For tooltips, you have to go to miscellaneous tooltip, add to password field. Text, you can say password must be at least 8 characters long. Let's go to preview. Just move your mouse pointer, then tooltip will appear. Save it. Edit configuration, add new application. I will name it as an app. Select the main application, there is only one. Hello application, OK. Here you go. That's it. Thank you.